So we're here on your roof.
Hi Nicholas, thanks for coming by again. Yes, we are today on the roof of Hongmen Technology Park here in Bantian, Shenzhen. And you know it's shortly before Chinese New Year, and our factory is so messed up. I just I just want to show you our roof. And no, we presented here a little bit of thing on what we worked last year quite hard. And you see on the left our 10-inch touch PC, and this is now really it's our most sold touch PC, and probably you feel like, oh my god, what a shit picture it has. But it is really, it's the sun is going down, but we still have enough. And this is how your PC monitor will look outside. And because the brightness is not bright enough to go against the sun, we have here now our, to the right you see here a rugged 10.4-inch IP65 touchscreen PC, where we have increased the brightness to around 1000 nits. And so also, let's say when you have in the midtime, you can still use this quite well. Would we be now in lunchtime with this working, you really would not see anything on it. And then as a real big improvement on the back, extremely bright 17.3-inch model we did for studios in Germany to work outside. And this is really incredible, especially under direct sunlight. You see everything absolute clear and how the real picture is. It has a special transflective coating and very special, it has optical bonding. That means there is no gap between the touch panel and the panel, which makes it a far better picture.
So how does that work? It's a transflective LCD system.
Yes, we have the transflective coating. And you can see, I mean, the sunlight is going down, but when you would see now the real direct sun, it would really be here that you still just the sun here as a, let's say, as a circle.
And everything else is color?
Else you could
everything else is nice colors?
See nice. And on the other sides, these two models you would not see anything. Even this one has no chance when the sun would go directly on it. And so that, let's say, these are now our 3 steps of evolution: a standard product, and high brightness solution, and then an optical bonded transflective treated high brightness system.
So how many of your touchscreen PCs are outdoors?
Be careful. I mean, we are in a Chinese park, so don't hit yourself. We have, for sure, our standard product is the touchscreen PC like you see. That's what we sell most. And we now start, the IP65 is quite a success from last year. And the optical bonding we right now start. It's the 17.3-inch you see, we still did with an external partner. And you will see, and I mean it's the second time you come now. Our company is really a little bit in a mess because it's directly before Chinese New Year. I'm happy that still so many people are here. But we improved a lot, and we invested into an own clean room, which you will see soon. And there we now prepare also to be able to in-house optical bond, because let's say local partners here normally don't follow the quality aspects like we expect from them. One big improvement, our table tennis table, no, just a joke, but we had some really nice games.
You have tournaments?
We really had a tournament in...
Who's the winner?
I made second.
Second, okay.
The winner is our sourcing. Oh my god, everybody ran away. Where are they? Okay. I make a ghost preparation. That's really something good. The people still stay here, and it's Afei and Nathan. They are more or less the most important guys in the company. They do all the material management process. Nathan is the chief of operation. He will definitely run over our way, and we are now really all extreme stress. Next week we close, and so it's the last week. You want to say hello or just stay standing?
Already hello.
Yeah. Also, I mean, yeah, no new face. Still, my wife very happy.
Very happy. Still.
Hopefully, the next 10 years no change. Okay, our sourcing department. We have now 3 people. 2 are outside on factories visiting. Accounting, nothing changed. Big changes in the sales department. We have a fresh face. Last year, when you remember, we had Frank here. He's now back already in the US, doing the sales job, and now Florian overtook it. And I think he's for sure has an easier life than Frank, because he speaks fluent English, Chinese.
Frank's English was not so bad, but yeah.
And German.
Anyway.
Okay. So we make a fast run through. This what's that? Even our meeting room is now work room, and but we will make a complete company rework after Chinese New Year, and so I gave now up. But probably here you can see this we prepared shortly. Again, the difference. It's now here under, let's say, normal light. It's not so clear seeable, but when you compare, you should at least see that this picture is more crisp, more clear, and has less reflections. And this one is, let's say, a little bit worse in everything, especially when you go a little bit down and see from viewing angle, which is wider. And what's this? This is the effect of optical bonding. We now work on this and see for that we have this here. Also in our standard production, some offers doing so. Let's make here a short run through. Today I would say we don't go for products, be careful. I mean, you can have a look on our webpage, www.faytech.com. But this is, for example, now a 55-inch. We just make test because this is a new board. This is our second board which we developed with ASUS, a cooperation which really helps us dramatically. And when you touch, it's really not hot at all. Even that it's now a quad core running on up to 4 times faster than our actual solutions. And we will introduce this into the market in the second quarter. And so, okay, we now use every space to test it on here on a 55-inch. Probably just one sentence to this, and then let's go through the workers want to finish. They're still waiting. This is now our actual standard 15-inch touch PC with a nice sleek rubber front. It protects it. It makes it waterproof. And for sure, for Windows 8, you can use the gestures and everything. And we equipped it here with a magnetic card swiper, a webcam, a scanner. And so you can easily put whatever devices you want to the system. And probably here also the evolution. This is our first board. And our second one, and you see, first we kept the same dimensions and everything, because for service cases I want to be able to say in 5 years, okay, customer, how would it be to swap to the actual model, and you don't have to throw all the other parts away. You just take one mainboard out and takes a second in. And then you see, for example, here we needed still cables, cable links. We couldn't do board-to-board directions. And here on our new model, we regrouped everything. And so you can get all the connections you want easily from one place. And so it's everything quite neat, organized how it should be. Let's go. Yeah, what's that? Goods. We are working for, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks now, more or less every day, and it will be like that until Chinese New Year, which starts in by end of next week. I mean, also here, like it's more or less still the same guys like you saw last time. And so just shortly again, we have 2 complete full-time CAD designers who do really all the design work. So we make everything in-house. We have then our engineers who do the development, do the testing, the specification. For example, this one will be seen first on the fair. It's he programs now in C, a soft start on, start off for the motor. We had an inquiry from the US, a larger customer, who also wanted to be able to serve wheelchair people to be able to touch easily. And so we made here a button that you can go up and down, and so even tall people can touch, but also, let's say, children and others. And okay, this going to be a stand. We have probably to this. I grab shortly your one. I can, Nick. Nick explained us last year when you remember Raspberry Pi, and we worked on QB boards, and now we come up with an own solution. For example, also like always, more specialized for our industrial customers. We have a PoE, so you can drive the system completely over the network currents. A lot of connections for sure. We need the LVDS, also able to drive up to 55-inch. We have a lot of GPIOs, and we went with the All-Winner A20 because we have here in China for sure a very good support from All-Winner. We work with a local studio here together, and for sure that's important for industrial customers that we can support them well. Okay, here Nathan laughs and runs away. So what's that? He's with Afei. I don't know. Your room was empty when we came, but these two guys are the most important in our company, I would say. And let's go through all faces, all places. Michael also somewhere, still our production manager. And this is really important that we keep the people, that we keep the knowledge in the company, and that we don't have to teach, but that the people learn. The warehouse far more inside than last time. I'm quite happy. We developed quite well. We grow steadily. We surpassed last year $5 million in revenue. When we take, it's far better. It's 5.5. And let's see. This year we had already the January 2.5 times better than last year. So let's see if we can reach the aim. If we want to go for 10 million, but let's see. Important is, and that are really some investments we did, and I'm really happy that we were able to. So we have here a temperature room, and this really runs 7 days a week, 24 hours. We stress our products. It goes from minus 40 to over 80 degrees, and you see it now. We are running on 70 degrees, and our products still survive. And every standard product we send out, let's say not everyone, but for sure we take from each production always samples out, and survives 1 week where we steadily go from minus 25 to plus 75 and back. So we really try our best to destroy our products and see for then how to further improve. This one looks like a fancy spaceship design because we just see it. That's an invention of our engineers. He built it up. It's a UV lamp for the optical bonding. This were the first tests we did our optical bonding in it. And that the glue gets dry, you have to use UV light. Okay, our incoming material inspection, and I think nothing special there. They make light controls right now, and some already left for Chinese New Year. We have some who will marry in Chinese New Year, and so go for it. Here we have our now I will have to shout, but this is also really something. For example, in probably I talk later. In the first week we put our 15-inch touch PC on it, and it was really like internal, the fixation broke, and so we improved it, and so also really what their test machines help us to do our products more reliable, more better. And here's this is we put a lot of aging now on the production line. You can see over there. Our biggest improvement is really, and this is really helpful, is our clean room. So I told you, and normally it happens what I say, I told you by your last visit that this is really important for us, that we improve our company, that we have a clean room. And we have here now normally four girls, I have to say so, sitting. and it helps us a lot to go with our standards that we say no seeable dust, and so they are far more efficient in production, and it's the first base to do optical bonding than also in-house. Like you see, like a normal with the air shower in and tape, and that really no dust goes in. Here's Michael. He's also still the same. What's that? We keep our good people in. And let's have a look on the production. This is another investing what we did. We have a gluing machine. And okay, we just waited here for you, but to seal it not just from the front, but also from the beginning. We have now the machine which then goes on the back one time around. That the system is really waterproof and well fixed and good looking. Okay. What's that? They just waited for you, Nicolas. Yeah, you see our today production, the 8-inch touch PCs. We ship, I think, tomorrow 200 pieces out. And okay, the last assemblies. Nothing happened here. We invested in some more racks. You see it. Otherwise, we couldn't handle all the production. I mean, what's that? We improved the production numbers from last time for around 40-50%, and so we adjusted here everything a little.
So when is the Chinese New Year break?
On Saturday.
On Saturday.
So seven more working days, and we will work every day and every night. But careful. Still have to send out around, I don't know, 800 or 900 products, and everybody goes here crazy. And probably we can do something funny to the end. Wait. Nathan. We make Nathan. We show what we discussed. I want to show the difference for optical bonding. Let's take you prepared one standard one and one this one, or otherwise let's just take
Tanning. I have standard one there. Tanning.
Okay. No. Let's go further.
Take the optical bonding one. 10 inch. Which one?
And then the 15-inch.
No, I have the 10 inch standard there.
Yeah, then it's okay. Okay, then the 15-inch optical bonding. Okay.
Oh, the 10 inch. I mean.
Yeah, then we make the 10-inch optical bonding. It's also okay.
Yeah, this is our standard 10 inch.
Okay.
And I give you the optical bonding one.
This is my place. My wife has now the nicest place in the factory. But it was really, the last year was the time to drive our engineer department, and we really did a lot of things. We started the capacitive, the optical bonding, improved a lot in some projects. For example, this one I want to show. This is, for example, what Jing Sung develops. He's now already in marriage holiday, or how to say. And so it's this is a daughter board structure where you put our mainboard. You get shortly one mainboard. Our daughter board structure, where you put our PC mainboard in the middle, and then we have a lot of ESD shieldings to even pass EN 50, 155. It's for locomotives developed and now used in South America and.
Locomotives.
Yeah, it really, it's even the locomotive will open the doors and close it by this system, and when it doesn't run, the locomotive has to stop, and we have a lot of connections here and here and here, some daughter boards. But yeah, so I mean, we can even help doing quite complicated things. We have here an accelerometer with a compass. We have the GPS module here, which is now not connected. I mean, this is now just a sample, for sure. Otherwise, I would touch it more careful. Let's see here. And let's make one big action to the end. Let's see if it works. Oh my God. Charbax, just for you, Niklas, we will now crash something. So this is our standard 10-inch touch panel world premiere. Let's see. And already this ball makes it defect. And let's go with our optical bonding panel.
Just one second. I got it.
Okay, let's go a little bit harder. And it's really heavy, you can take it. And now, okay, this sometimes survives, sometimes not. Let's see it. And then, oh, when so many people are standing, we should clap our hands. Huh? No, wait. Ah! Okay, this one not. But you can see really that this is this is really heavy. You can take it in your hand. I don't know how much is the weight. I think you ordered it, Nathan.
500.
This one is I think 500. This is just 250, 300. Okay, we will tell you later how much. But what I wanted to show is really that by optical bonding you have a far better visual appearance. You have a better viewing angle. You have better colors. But not just this. You have it is far more stable. Whereas the standard one goes with a, let's say, small ball defect. It holds more. The 15-inch even survives normally. Let's say we have it half-half. No, sometimes it survives, sometimes not, but it's definitely far harder. And the last thing, this is very important for outdoor, is it cannot put moisture between a touch panel and panel. Oh. And so it's really very good for outdoor usage. And okay, I would say before Chinese New Year, we make this as a short run through our company. I mean, last time it was too long. I have really some people who said, oh my god, I started watching it in the evening and I just could stop in the night. So, but yeah.
It's kind of like a feature film, it's not too long.
But it's we will have a lot of improvements after Chinese New Year, and definitely then I hope you come one more time around, and we probably take a little bit longer tour again.
So there's all these challenges you have as like getting better colors, better visibility, better sunlight readability. It sounds like crazy huge things. And how can you get these things to work?
It's I mean, I think probably you should better ask my wife about this. I'm never happy. I always want to get better. And so I drive my whole department crazy. And when I see something, I mean, I'm a technician geek, or however you saw it. When I see something and I like it, I want to be able to do it. And we listen carefully to our customers. And for sure, the customers come and say, oh, I have this problem, I need their solution. And then, yeah, we say, okay, let's have a look. And when we feel like we can do it, then we try. And when not, then not.
And your customers are like in Europe and harsh environments.
Yeah.
They're like, it's warm, it's cold, it's outside, it's locomotives, it's...
I mean, we have now, right now it starts. I think it's by even probably today, we have now 5 years our factory opening. And definitely the first years was just building up, surviving, getting all the knowledge. And now really the last year I wanted to see for that we really not just do the things, but do the things good. What I said in the video, a really big help is the cooperation with ASUS, where we developed 2012 our first mainboard, and now we do the second. And let's say with this optical bonding and everything, I mean really, I want to produce here German quality. It's not just a saying, but I want to do the product as good as we can. And also the factory, I want to have as good as it's possible. We are on both, let's say, we are still a little bit away from where I think we can be. But what's that, when you see how it was 1 year ago and how it is now, and when you come again, hopefully I would be happy, and probably half a year here again, definitely we will have developed again strongly. And I think the point is, you know it, I wrote it on the wall, I want that we every day get better, and that's what we try here.
And your customers are happy, and they are happy with the new generation, with the new features. Do you get too much demand?
It's for sure. It's the exchange rate was the biggest problem the last months. We waited for a race to introduce our new products, and the exchange rate went more and more down. But yeah, now we had to raise the prices. Our customers accepted, but yes, we have a lot of demand. We have a good growth, and there's no. I mean, you see it every year. We grow by just 20-30 people also. So last time, I think when you came around, we had around 55, 60 people. Now we are over 17. So next time, hopefully, we reach the 100. Stop. But yeah, it's
Cool.
that's it.
Cool. Thanks a lot for the tour.
Okay.